In this segment, we'll be demonstrating just how easy it is to set up and manage one or more warehouses, as well as multiple picking locations in Advanced Pro. We'll also show how to transfer stock between your warehouses when using Advanced Pro's multiple warehouse module. Warehouses do not have to be separate physical locations. They can represent one or more areas within your storage area, such as a freezer or parts cage, or they can be retail or wholesale outlets. Some users even treat service vehicles as warehouses so they can track and assign responsibility for their rolling inventory. First, we'll take a look at how to set up a new or edit an existing warehouse. To set up or change any of the details for a warehouse, open the Warehouse console and click on the Manage Warehouses icon. Since we have more than one warehouse, we need to select the one we want to edit by clicking on the checkbox beside it. We make the necessary changes and click Update and Done to commit these changes to Advanced Pro. To use multiple warehouses, you'll need to have installed Advanced Pro's Multiple Warehouse module. With that in place, adding additional warehouses is as simple as clicking the Add New button and then adding the information pertinent to your new warehouse. With this complete, we click Add and then Done to complete the addition of the warehouse. When we need to transfer stock from one warehouse to another, we open the Products console and click on the Manage Inventory icon. We want to display the list view for products in stock at AddSol 1, so we choose it from the drop-down list here. Next, we select the product we wish to transfer, and here we can see the transfer icon that indicates there is stock available for transfer. Clicking on the transfer icon opens the Transfer Inventory window, where we'll select the warehouse we're transferring to, the quantity of the transfer, and the reason for this transfer. If needed, we can access Advanced Pro's Lot and Serial functions from the Lot and Serial Number tab. All of the information added through the transfer, including the person making it and the date of the transfer, will be added to the transfer history once we click on the Transfer button. If at any time we need to see the transfer history for this or any other inventory item, we need to only open the Product console, click on the Manage Inventory icon, select the warehouse, and then click on the Transfer icon for the line item that we want to check on. Picking locations are set up through the Manage Product Inventory form accessed from the Products console. Once we have selected the warehouse we want to work with, we can add picking locations to any selected product by simply entering it into the pick number field. To set up and assign additional pick locations, we click on the Multiple Picking Locations icon here. This opens the Manage Multiple Picking Locations pop-up window, where we can add and edit pick locations as well as assign our products to them. Locations can be designated using alphanumeric codes or short descriptive text, and if we want, we can add additional notes here. To assign products to these newly created pick locations, we click on the A icon to open the Assign Products to Picking Location window. To find the products we want to assign to this location, we can search based on SKU number here or by the product name here. From this list, we can then select a single or multiple items to assign to this location. We're going to select a single item. If we like, we can assign more than one pick location to any given item. And when we do, Advanced Pro adds this icon to the pick number field to indicate there are now multiple picking locations. Clicking on the icon opens the Manage Picking Locations window, where we can see that this product is now assigned to 2 locations. The reserved and in-stock quantities are noted, and we have an opportunity to adjust the quantities here. The default or primary pick location is selected through these checkboxes. Using picking locations and multiple warehouses can give your organization the ability to pinpoint what you have, where it is, when it was moved, and who's responsible. Having this kind of real-time view of your sales and fulfillment process is key to building your business. We thank you again for your attention to this demonstration and hope you'll take the time to view the others in the series.